This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with another quick video. We can see here just before the market close for February 13th, 2020, with about, let's call it about 7 minutes to go. Let's take a look at the top gainers for today. So today alone, and we can see the second best performing stock in the US as of today's move is BTAI, which is up about 27%. It was higher even early in the day, but we'll definitely take this gain for the day. And this was a recent Muathe.com pick about 2 weeks ago on January 22nd, 2020. So that was our breakout candidate. And we can see here, this is the monthly view, and I'll share with you the method here in a second, or where to find it. A very simple method on how to catch this momentum plays. That's the monthly chart, and we can take a look at the daily, and then here we can see the weekly. Now, how you can catch this and all types of leading stocks is there's gonna be a link in the description of this video. A very simple method here for you to learn. Once you understand this method, you'll see that it's gonna be useful in your trading history, just as I have been using it for almost 20 years. There's a lot of videos in this playlist, so there's a lot for you to kind of go through if you want more information, but 1 or 2 videos in this playlist should be good enough. Again, the method is what I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. Very powerful method. Now, take a look at another recent pick, and we captured the most recent breakout on the monthly also here, based on the same method, the ultimate Muathe breakout. And again, we can see this was mentioned as a breakout candidate just a couple of weeks ago on January 9th, when it was trading at about 184. And here we can see that it definitely met the minimum requirements. If we take a look at the parameters, very simple parameters. And one other thing I would like to add while we are taking a look at this chart, take a look at this move here, where the stock jumped above my magic RSI number of 69.1, and we can say and confirm that the stock has defended the 69.1 level throughout all this run from sometime in the beginning of 2017. Support here at 69.1, support at 69.1 here again, and all these were monthly lows, and again it found support at 69.1 here, further confirming some of the principles and concepts that I bring to the table. But that's a side note. This video is for those of you who are interested in finding a way to capture the biggest moves in the market while doing away with intraday trading. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs. Yeah.